Secretary Noem, what is habeas corpus?
Well, habeas corpus is a constitutional right that the president has to be able to remove people from this country and suspend their right to.
Let me stop you, ma'am. Habeas corpus, excuse me, that's incorrect.
President
Habeas
Lincoln
corpus,
used it.
excuse me. Habeas corpus is the legal principle that requires that the government provide a public reason for detaining and imprisoning people. If not for that protection, the government could simply arrest people, including American citizens, and hold them indefinitely for no reason.
Kristi Noem does not know what habeas corpus means. She is the Secretary of Homeland Security, and she does not know what habeas corpus means. Let that sink in. Do you guys feel safe? Feel insecure? There's a reason why 47 loves the uneducated. Because they can just say what they want. They can say things mean what they don't mean, and people actually believe it. I was watching somebody's live the other day, I think it was yesterday, and I shit you not. A MAGA guy said that the Aliens Enemies Act was an act that guaranteed First Amendment rights to immigrants? He stood 10. He was so sure of his answer, too. Like, just like the wrong answer with Kristi Noem, the confidence at which they do not know what they are talking about, but they will just make it up no matter what. This is why they are attacking the education system. They want our children to be stupid. This is why they are attacking books and reading and higher education, because when they do that, they can just tell them whatever it is that they want. And there are people going around thinking that habeas corpus means that the president can just deport who he wants. That's not at all what that is. And you would think that she would at least try to look it up before going to sit at a hearing where she knows she's going to be asked that question. How did she not see that coming? That's what makes me think that they're completely unserious. They don't have to care because nobody is holding them to account. There are no repercussions for their actions. They don't have to care. They can just say what they want. They can do what they want. They can defy court orders, Supreme Court orders, and do whatever it is that they want to do. They can lie about what habeas corpus is and how it would affect every single American in this country if they were to do away with it. And they completely lie about the reason why Congress had to retroactively approve Lincoln's use of habeas corpus. The Constitution itself protects habeas corpus, and they want to do away with it. The Constitution itself says that Congress, the legislative branch, is the only branch that can do away with habeas corpus. And they want to have a king so badly, a dictator so badly, that they will go against the Constitution of the United States, lying to people about what that would actually mean. And these MAGAs just believe them. And it seems like Kristi Noem is one of the MAGA crazies that don't do any research, that just believes what she's told to believe. This country right now is an absolute embarrassment. It just is.